Hello guys, so today we will learn how to swap two numbers using a temporary variable. So for this, let us take some example. So initially initially let us assume that we take two numbers, for the first number a being 5 and the second number b being 2. Now swapping means that the value of a changes to the value of b and the value of b changes to the value of a. So after swapping a becomes 2 and b becomes 5. This process which we have done, i.e. the swapping, we will do using a temporary variable. In the next class we will learn how to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable. But for this program, let us use a temporary variable. So let us open Visual Studio Code so that we can write our code. So we will create a new file under C. We will create a new file and we will give it a name swap with temp. This signifies that we are using a temporary variable to swap the integers. Don't forget to add the extension .c. Now let's code. So firstly we will write a comment. The comment statement is very important. It highlights your code. So we will say program to swap two integers using a temporary variable. First we will use the stdio.h header file, then we will write the main, as the main consists of integer return type, so we will return an integer value when the codes get terminated. So we will return 0 when our programs get completed. Now let us take two variables. In the examples which I presented to you in PowerPoint, we took a and b as a variable, so let us take a and b here also. So the first variable will be a, the second will be b, and since we are using a temporary variable, let us take a third variable temp. We will assign temp equals 0 because this will avoid any kinds of errors while compiling. Now we will take input from the user. Then we will use a scanf function to take the value of a. Then let us take the second number. Now we have took both the numbers. Now let's begin the swapping. So first we will assign value of a to the temporary variable. Then we will assign the value of b to a. And then we will assign the value of temps to b. Now we will display this will indent the lines and nothing else. Now we will display the value of a and we will display the value of b. Now we are done writing the code. Let us run the code to see if we have written the correct code or not. So it is asking to enter two numbers. First it is asking to enter the first number. Let us enter the first number as 5. Now it is asking the value of b. So let us enter the value of b as 2. So you see, we get swapped integers. The value of a, which was 5, becomes 2. The value of b, which was 2, becomes 5. So we have successfully executed the program. Thank you.